Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today we are back with a ponytail hairstyle. This is a style I did years ago on Tensita, and our sweet cousin Marta wanted so badly this style into ponytail. I did this to Tensita as a bun style, and you saw it lately on Instagram, and this is where she saw it. So we're starting by sectioning off the crown hair in a rectangular shape. So you see here the square that I did, or some kind of rectangular. Just clip it away for the time being. This does not have to be perfect, just take it away, and then make a deep ponytail with the rest of the hair. And now make a line from the right front to back left, and this diagonal line is our parting between the two braids. Now I'm taking away the right side and start with the triangle from the front. Here I apply some hair gel around the part lines, and then I bring it up and comb it through into the length. When then later I am braiding the length, I will add some more gel. So the easiest is you let your model hold the pot of gel, and now you take a tiny section from the front. We're going to do lace braid, so left goes under, right goes under, and we are adding in hair to our braid just from the left hand side. You see, I bring the right under, then the left under, and I add in hair, holding it tight to the scalp with my fingertips. So when left is under, I add in some hair, and I do this at the beginning, especially at the beginning with the comb, because there I want smaller portions of hair to make the braid smaller. As less hair you put in, the smaller is the braid, and then I keep on braiding. Lace braid means exactly that, only adding in hair from one side, and this is what I'm doing here. I show you from the side. So bring the right under, and then from the left, when the left is under, you add in the hair, and when there is no more hair to add in, we just braid down. Down means just braid until the end of the strands. I'm adding in between some more hair gel to avoid the flyaways to have a neater result. And you see, when I do the regular Dutch braid, I just switch hands and keep on braiding. If you're new on our channel, please be so kind and subscribe and give us a thumbs up. That would be awesome. Just braid until the very end. Her hair is getting quite thin at the end, so I stopped perhaps an inch until the hair was off, and then I just take a clear elastic. Then we go to the other side, and like before, I just bring some hair gel inside of the hair with the toothbrush, and we're doing nearly exactly the same thing. We are adding in this time the hair from the right hand side, not from the left hand side. So make 3 tiny equal strands, bring left under, right under, left under, and then right under again, and add in some hair. Every time you come to the right hand side, you add in some hair, and you want to braid as good as possible with the first braid already over the part line. I forgot to mention that before. This is our goal. We want the braids to be as close by each other as possible. So you pull the braid to the part line, and then when all the hair is incorporated, just do the regular 3-strand braid. This is the Dutch version, so the strand goes under the middle strand, and you see I switched hands again. Apply some more hair gel if the hair is frizzy, and braid as wide as deep as you can, and then tie off with a tiny hair elastic. These are our 2 braids that are going to give the accent to our ponytail, and because I wanted them really close to each other, I insert a bobby pin. So I grab with the open pin hair from both sides and just stick them together, and you see they stay in place perfectly. Now I'm clipping, for the time being, these braids away. I comb the whole rest of the hair, the ponytail through, and then I take half of the portion of hair from the top. I smooth this out with the brush, whose name I always forget. I again apply gel by the edges to have the sleek result that I wish, and I tie off the ponytail, the first one, right under the middle of the square parting that we did at the very beginning. Now we have the first ponytail, and I grabbed the rest of the hair, and here, just because it's easier, I applied some spray gel. This is very strong and easy to apply. Then I comb it through. I attach the rest of the hair to the first ponytail that we did under the 2 braids and apply another hair elastic. I have used here the thin ones, and then I wrap around the base of the ponytail a strand of hair. With the help of the topsy tail tool, I bring the end through, hide it in the ponytail, and this is the ponytail that we achieve like this. This stays perfectly for 2 days in place. And now I grab again another bobby pin and pin the 2 braids by the side of the ponytail. This is the final result. We forgot to film this. I hope you can live with this. And give us thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you're new, and see you back soon. Bye bye.